During an investigation, a bullet of mass 15 grams is fired from a rifle into a stationary wooden block of mass 2 kg, suspended from a long, strong rope. The bullet remains in the block, and the block bullet system swings to a height of 15 centimeters above the equilibrium position as shown below. Effects of friction and the mass of the rope may be ignored. Now, state the principle of conservation of linear momentum in weights. Ithini-ke, the total linear momentum of an isolated system is conserved. Use the energy principle to calculate the magnitude of the velocity of the block bullet system immediately after the bullet stuck to the block. So la scenario la khona kuza inhlamvu ifike ingene laphaya kwi-bullet. Bathi-ke sifuna i-velocity immediately nje inhlamvu iqeda ukungena kwi-bullet ukuthi kuzosuka ngayiphi i-velocity ziyofika lapha. Kodwa siyazi ukuthi i-final velocity yalapha izoba u-0. Kunento esiyithandayo-ke laphana, the effect of friction may be ignored. Okusho ukuthi i-mechanical energy before ingalingana ne-mechanical energy after, ayikho energy esiyiluzile. So kubalulekile-ke le ndaba yale ukuthi ulalele ama-instruction. Mhlawumbe ingaba khona enye indlela yokwenza uthole i-answer correct, but uma ungasebenzisanga ama-energy principle uzothola u-0 ne-answer yakho correct. So it's not about the answer, ukulalela ama-instructions ukuthi yini okuthiwa yisebenzise. So la sinenhlamvu esistakhe phakathi, sifuna ukuthi-ke kuzohamba ngayiphi i-velocity sekundawonye ukusuka la inhlamvu nje immediately ngena kuzohamba ngayiphi i-velocity. So Emac kwesinye isikhathi bathi Emac or the mechanical energy at bottom is equal to the mechanical energy at top. Ngapha sino EP plus bani EK, EP plus bani plus EK. U-EP ubani? U-mgh plus u-EK ubani? U-half mv squared. Ngapha sino mgh plus bani? U-half mv squared. Na okubalulekile-ke laphaya ukuthi ku-paper 1 we are using ama-kilograms not ama-grams. So kufanele udivide ngo-1000 laphaya uthole i-mass yakho iku-0,015 kilograms. Laphaya udivide ngo-100 uthole i-distance yakho noma i-height yakho iku-0,15 meters. Asisebenzi ngama-centimeter but sisebenza ngama-meters, sisebenza ngama-grams ku-paper 1, sisebenza ngama-kilograms. Lezo zinto kufanele uyiqaphele. So inhlamvu yakho leyo kufanele i-mass yakhona i-convert. So lezi zinto esikhuluma ngazo kusuka la uzofika lapha zihlangene, ingakho kufanele sihlanganise ama-masses wakhona. So initially yabona ukuthi le block ihleli phansi, initially height u-0, ingakho le part le izoba u-0. Uma uthanda unga-substitute akunankinga. So i-mass yangapha zoba u-0,015 plus 2 kg. I-velocity initial sifuna yona. I-height, i-mass yangapha 0,015 plus 2 times 9,8 times i-height 0,15. plus ubani u-0 inokusystem lapha phezulu izofika ime. So ngapha sino-half times 0,015 plus 2 uzosikhiphela lokho u-1,0075 VI squared is equal to ngapha 0,015 plus 2 times 9,8 times 0,15 zoba u-2,962 then sidivida ngo-1,0075 1,0075 VI squared is equal to lingana no-2,94 then introduce a square root on both sides. Introduce a square root on both sides. Sithole initial velocity 1,71 meters per second. So isithi indaba-ke, calculate the magnitude of the velocity of the bullet just before it strike the block. So siya-understand, okay, ngeke ngibhale le velocity yabo sebehamba bobabili ngoba sine-velocity ye-block plus i-bullet nansiya 1,71 meters per second. I-velocity yabo ye-block ne-bullet sekuhamba ndawonye. Kodwa before ukhumbule ukuthi before i-block beyimile. So indaba ithi inhlamvu ike yeza ihamba i-block imile then base behamba ndawonye-ke and bese behamba ndawonye i-final velocity yabo seku-1,71 meters per second. 2 kg esame yedwa i-velocity beku-0. Thina sifuna i-velocity la khona i-bullet isahamba yodwa ukuthi behamba ngespeed esingakanani. So ingakho sesizosebenzisa i-momentum. So i-momentum ye-block ye-bullet plus i-momentum ye-block after sekuhlangene sihlanganisa ama-masses wakhona hamba nge-velocity eyodwa. So lana sino 0,015 sifuna i-velocity yakhe plus 2 times 0 stationary initially block belimile. Lana sino 0,015 plus 2 bese kuhamba ndawonye. I-velocity siyayazi sebehamba ndawonye ukuthi bekuba velocity bekubani beku-1,71. So lana sino 3,455 log zoba u-0 log zoba u-0,015 VA. So 0,015 VA is equal to 3,455. We divide by 0,015. 0,015 VA is equal to so sithola u-230,33 meters per second. Now to write the name of the law and explain why the person uh, is pushed slightly backward by the butt of the rifle when firing the bullet. So mawuphethe isibhamu, umuntu ophethe isibhamu mayedubula unokuhlehla kancane. So why lo muntu ehlehla? So according to Newton's third law, Newton's third law, uthi object A mayipush object B no-object B uzomphusha ngeforce elinganayo. So inakhuzana irefli noma isibhamu iforce esizoyi-aplya kwinhlamvu nenhlamvu izophusha irefli ngayo leyo force leyo. Angazi noma iyezwakala lento leyo. So i-force ezo-aplaywa isibhamu enhlamvini nenhlamvu izo-aplya iforce efanayo but in opposite direction kule force e-aplaywa yini irefli noma isibhamu. So uzoyiphendula kanjalo Newton's third law, inhlamvu i-force ezo-aplaywa kwinhlamvu nenhlamvu izo-aplya leyo force leyo kwi-rifle but in opposite direction. Ingakho-ke umuntu ophethe isibhamu ezenze njani? Ezohlehla kancane, kumele uphethe uyadubula.